Simple steps to a complete body detoxification. The reason that many people give for starting a body detoxification plan is that they'd like to have a healthier system, an immune system that is working properly, as well as an overall healthier body and attitude. By completing a detoxification plan, one is certain to attain these goals. If you truly want to start on cleansing your body, then you must consider how you will do it, among other things. There are certain products that can be purchased at health food stores that will enable you to cleanse your body. However, these products may not always be good for you for some reason or another. Here are some things to consider when trying to find a complete body detoxification system. Find the right system for you. As mentioned, not all of the products that can be bought at local health food stores will work for everyone for one reason or another. Everybody's bodies are different, which is the main reason that the best way to complete a detoxification plan is to include natural ingredients that can be bought in a grocery store. If one is to complete a total body detox, then there are a couple principles that he or she must adhere to if they are just beginning. For example, the mixture of the detoxification ingredients should not be too strong or overpowering. If this is your first detox, then you will certainly want to start out lightly by making a good combination of all the ingredients together. As you continue the detoxification system every month, though, then you can work your way up so as to not shock your body's system. Consider your condition. One of the reasons that many people feel they need a body detoxification for is because they are ill in some way or another. However, one must think about their current health situation before they embark on a detox journey. For example, if one has just been diagnosed with cancer, then a total body detoxification plan may not be the best course of action to take. On the other hand, an ailment from a simple cold, bacteria, or influenza certainly warrants the use of body detoxification in order for the disease and bacteria to be gone from the body's systems. Prepare for a cleaner body. Just as there are preparations that are made for various other activities that we do with our bodies, such as a workout at the gym, so should we prepare our bodies and minds for the detoxification system. In other words, detoxifying our bodies can take a toll if we don't prepare ourselves. Two good ways to do something like this is through the use of meditation and yoga. These two exercises can be combined to not only strengthen our bodies for the detoxification we are about to complete, but we will be mentally prepared as well. Now that you know exactly what you should do before and during a detoxification cleanse of the body, it is important to go ahead with the cleansing. All of these pieces of advice, though, will help in the long run and definitely contribute to a healthier body that will live longer.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.